Hello, welcome to Academiq AI. Are you looking to communicate your ideas more clearly and effectively? Well, in this video, we will introduce you to the AI tool named Clear Directions. It's a powerful tool that helps guide your words and it shapes your ideas with utmost clarity, no matter what the topic is. Yes, so to access the tool, you have to click on this segment, which is Clear Directions. All right. Once you click on it, you have to, of course, pick the year level, So let's say it's 10th and the original directions. So the topic, all right, the topic being history of Indian literature. All right. And I want this tool to generate step-by-step, step-by-step text for me. All right. A clear, concise direction for me on this topic, which of course is engaging and which is correct as well. Yes. So within seconds, we will get that on our screen, right? The clear directions and with every possible detail that we are looking for. All right. So 3, 2, and 1. Here we are, right? I hope you can see it has given the step-by-step instructions, directions of our Indian literature. The origin, then the classical literature, regional variation, modern literature, etc. Right? Fantastic, isn't it? So try the Clear Directions tool today at Academiq AI and communicate with confidence. Yes? Happy learning.